Yeah.
Hello, it's me, Alan.
Key!
Can we come help you?
Go on then, let's go get him, boys. Let's go.
There's like 3 minutes left!
Come on, lad.
Ah! Oh, hit! Shite! Oh, shit! Fuck. Oh, I hate this gun now, and I just realised why. I keep pressing the eject. Oh, I'm going to get some range of this beast, mate. I'm surprised Callum didn't keep this. Hit! What the fuck? Whoa. Is that friendly fire? Dude, did you get hit in the back?
No, he was coming through the window.
Oh, you bugger. No, I was getting shot there though. Dead player.
Cover, mate. We're going to move to Grinch. Can you cover me?
Not working.
It is, it's just it's holding up in the meantime, so I'm going to keep using it. She needs to be just a bit of love with her.
Yeah. You just want to stroke it.
Shoot some people.
You sleep with that, didn't you?
No.
Liar.
My wife won't let me.
My mate Craig did. He bought a new gun, he slept with it. His missus got in and it was in next to him in bed.
But she weren't too
No word of it. No, she weren't. Fucking Craig the dickhead.
Well, you need to sleep for the next week. I'm on the sofa.
Yeah. Oh, this is getting ridiculous, this mud.
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Lee?
Well, if I got him in the building, try and get up on here and then...
Yeah, let me cross it. I'll cross over. I'll shoot through the windows of the main building, innit? See where the sniper tower is? Barricade to the left of there, they're behind there somewhere. Not the barricade, but in that distance. That suppressor's so much better. What are you eating, Nick? What? Look at this. You're such a nipple, you really are. What? Oh, alright mate, keep your work on your day. You're lucky this is a DMR, I'd have shot you in the arse cheek then, you bastard. I owe you one as well. Where? You already have, you shitbag, last game. Lee. I'm gonna hit shit with this. I should have brought my bloody scope, Lee. I just hit ya! That was a blatant. Lee, do you want to take this building? Colours?
Blue.
Blue. Sweet dude.
Blue coming in.
Blue in. Oh, we got some tunes. Oh. Hello.
One guy keeps poking his head out, or he's poking his barrel out of the dark window.
The greenhouse, yeah?
So, not the first window near the
Okay.
front, the second one in. and
Okay,
in
yeah.
the middle of it.
I can't see that. Alright, dude.
Take that position.
Nailed one, yeah. No scope.
Hello, Craig. Hello. What's Craig there? She was, yeah, down far end, mate. Can you get them over there? Straight down.
Should be able
Can you
to.
see him?
Yeah. No, he's ducking, he's ducked. He's just a bit high. I can't scope and I've got a scope. And I'm DMR, so obviously I can't spam. You should be able to get him, yeah? I'll have a go.
I can't fucking see the BBs. I haven't got.
I saw one fire out. No, I think you're right. I can mag out, mate.
No, it's definitely in there. I can see him. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh.
He's friendly, friendly. Why can't I get him? Is he red? No, he is us. Oh, no, he's red. Play, dude! He's down.
Oh, it's red, oh.
Yeah.
I can't.
I really wish I brought my scope now. Weapon! They're on us. You hear that ting, right?
Where are they? Conservative.
I don't know, but that ting from sort of like that. No,
No, conservative.
no, I can't see him. He'd have had me by now. Let me see if I can keep it in the shadow. There we are, look. Play!
How far are they?
Oh, nice. That wood barricade there I'm shooting, he's right behind where the marshal is. He's camped down behind that, yeah? Literally behind that mound. It's only 40 metres, 30 metres. There he is. Oh, he's cheeky.
Can't see him now.
There he is. Play! Well played, mate. Good lad. I don't think that even hit him, to be honest. Can you get that pump house back of it?
You can see that bloke all the way over there, but.
I'm running 2 bloody 5s in the DMR and I'm still... I'm running 2 bloody 5s in the DMR and I'm still getting that range. That ain't bad.
Oh,
I still can't get him, can you?
No, it was too far away.
Your knob should get it. The knob should get it.
Hit! Good shot!
Oh shit. Oh yeah. I can't get him. Wish I brought my scope. Play, buddy! Alright, buddy, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Right, we've got a guy just in front of that. I'm on DMR, so I can't obviously fire too much. See that barricade in front of us? One's just ducked down there. The run into the pump house, there's a guy there behind that tree I just cannot get. I don't know if you've got any range on that. I'm only running 2.5, so it's no good for me. I cannot get him. I've popped off about 30 shots. Just can't get it to drop on him. They're all stacked up, you see, by the pump house. Oh, you got you, shit.
I'm here! Already dead!
I just walked then, dude.
I can't, I'm green.
Oh shit, can I heal you?
No. No, me?
Oh, shit. One, I'm in there. Here, even.
Okay, I'm here.
Hello.
I think that's it.
Just me and you then. 3 of us, is it?
We came back. No, we got the presents.
Cannot get them. Play, buddy! Finally. Play! Weapon! Play! Hit! Good shot! Dead player.
How many of us are left in here?
Dead player.
Nice one, Paige.
I don't know how many more are there.
Let's get down to business. Coming through. Ooh. Friendly coming in. Blue. Oh, bad. Yeah, I've been trying. I can't. I'm just short in range because I've not got my scope, so I can't level out my shots.
There's a guy. There's a guy.
On the pump house.
This bunker.
Oh yeah.
This ridge just here where that tree's over.
Just there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Minimum range just. All right.
He knows where he is now.
Yeah. I'm DMR, so I can't pop him.
Yeah.
You shot him.
No, we can get him from here. He's probably just.
Oh, just missed an inch.
Is he? Or that? Which one?
Just there he was, where I just shot. Just there.
Can't even see.
Oh, you see where the big tumbleweed that looks in the middle, and then there's brick on the left.
Yeah.
To the left of that bit, let's call it tumbleweed. There it is. Oh. He's gone. He's coming in that building, I reckon, for the window.
Oh, is he running across the road? Is he?
Is he in the window? Right! Go on.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Was that going over? Fuck, what was that? Oh, well played, dude.
Going over.
Yeah. Well played, boys. You what? You ain't even got a bar? No wonder you stink.
Well, this would be on holiday. This week would be the first time I've had a bath this month.
Oh shit.
What you lost?
Mag. Bear with me, Lee, bear with me. Oh, fuck.
I wanted to make them think that there was no one in there, which is what happened. They have some service.
Yeah, they're popping out the window. Ooh.
Not too bad. We held them up. They were sprinting though. They were going faster. They were proper boys for us. And they've got the mayor. Have we got main building?
I don't know, to be honest, dude. I don't think so.
Conservatory right at the start. Fucking loads of
Are we in the main building?
No, no one in the main building, but up in the tower if you can see through the window.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to get a point here then, Lee. Let's get down to business. Clyde, gotcha. Clyde. Clyde, at last. I hit, good shot! Whoa. There we go, wind's against us, Lee. Don't piss in the wind. I've done that drunk. Yeah, gotta be there. Well, I'm going to be shooting into the wind. I don't think even I'll be able to. I don't know. Where, Lee? Don't know why that made me jump. Oh, nice grenade as well, look. He didn't have to take that, I was behind. Are they blues or reds? I don't... That's it. Got him. Shoulder shot, wasn't it? Hit! They've got wind, Lou. Ah, fuck it, I'm not going.